Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us the second generation smartwatch of the Amazfit GTR, and it's the GTR 2. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you the features of this smartwatch. In the front of the box we have the model name in the shiny fonts and the picture of the product. And here at this side we have some key features such as the sleep quality monitoring, long-lasting battery, music storage and playback. And on this side you can see it supports multi-sports modes, AMOLED display, and you get the SpO2 monitoring, which is very helpful these days. At the back we can see that it's a black sport variant, and apart from that there is also a classic variant. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the box we get this one more small box, and here on the top we have the smartwatch itself. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get this jigsaw boxes, and in this one we get the user manual, and in the other box we have the charging cable, and it's a magnetic cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Amazfit GTR 2 is the newer version of the GTR. No doubt GTR is also a good smartwatch, but I always found it a bit heavier, and I wasn't really comfortable using this smartwatch while sleeping. But looking at the GTR 2, my first impression is that it looks sleek and lightweight, and I personally like this new design. The build quality and the feel of the product is as usual top notch. You get the 1.39 inches HD AMOLED display, and instead of the thick bezels around the screen, you have very minimal bezels in this smartwatch. Now to operate the smartwatch, you have these two buttons on the side, and I like the fact that the top menu button has this red color accent. At the back of the smartwatch we have the heart rate sensor and the charging pins. And guys, in this smartwatch you also get the SpO2 monitoring feature, which is really good. Now talking more about the new features, in this smartwatch you also have the speakers at the back as well as a mic, by which you can take calls with this smartwatch, and you can also listen to music directly from this smartwatch. Now talking about these straps, they are removable and the quality is again very good. The smartwatch feels lightweight and feels really good on the hand. So overall in terms of design and the build quality, I like the GTR 2, and it's a welcome change over the GTR. Now let's turn on the watch and pair it with our phone. So for pairing, we need the app Zepp, which is available for both Android and iOS. Pairing process is simple. Just go to the add device section and scan the QR code. And that's it. The smartwatch is now paired with our phone. Setting up the watch will take some time, and we also got a firmware update. So the watch is ready to use. Now let's see the menu. You can access the menu through the touch gestures and the buttons on the side. The top button is to go to the main menu, and the bottom button is a quick access button which you can also customize. Right now it's set to open the workout modes. So here we have the watch face, which you can also change by long pressing on the watch face. And here you have the available watch faces. You can also add more watch faces from the app, which I will show you in a moment. Now about the menu, when you swipe down from the top, you can see the quick settings, which includes torch, brightness, DND, power saving mode, lock, find phone, and the volume for the smartwatch. You can also see the date and current weather conditions on the top. Swiping right from the left gives you the access to the shortcut cards, and here we have the alarm, weather, heart rate, and the activity status. Swiping left from the right side will give you the access to the quick apps such as the PAI, activity status, heart rate, etc. You can also customize these cards and apps from the companion app. And swiping up from the bottom of the screen will show you the notifications. To access the main menu, you need to press the top button. And here we have the PI menu, which is your personal activity indicator, and it shows you a score based on your current fitness activities. And then we have the heart rate menu, and guys, I have tested the heart rate data accuracy with other smartwatches, and I find the heart rate data very accurate, and it's also very quick. Apart from that, you get the SpO2 monitoring, and for this you need to stay still for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. Then we have the workout menu, and here we have 12 default workout modes, but you can also customize these with over 90 workout modes. So in the more option, you can select the workout from the categories listed here. And for the first time, I'm really happy that this smartwatch gives you a complete control of your workout modes. This smartwatch is also 580 waterproof, and you can also use it while swimming. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the activities mode, which shows you your workout activities. And then we have the stress test, which measure your heart rate for some time and it shows you how stressed currently you are. Activity goal shows you your current fitness data, which includes step count, calories burned, and distance traveled. And then we have the music control, by which you can play music on the watch itself or control the music on your device. And by the way, you get the 3 GB inbuilt storage. And about the speaker output, it's pretty decent, and this feature is definitely an advantage over the other smartwatches in this price range. Then in the menu we have the weather, alarm, events, which you can add from the app. After that you have the widgets, which are just mini apps such as compass, barometer, timer, countdown, and the find mobile option, which plays a loud tone on your mobile. After that we have the settings, and here you have the watch face settings, by which you can select different watch faces. Then in the connection settings, we have the Bluetooth option, where you can connect to your phone as well as with a true wireless earphone to listen to music from your watch. In the display settings, you can adjust the brightness, screen off time, and you can also toggle always on display. And for the always on display, you have 3 options. First is based on your watch face, or you can also choose from a digital or an analog always on display. Now coming back to the settings, then you have the sound and vibration settings, and then we have the user preferences, which includes the lower button and the quick access app selection. And here you can also enable the offline voice control and see the available voice commands. For example, you can raise your hand to turn on the screen and say open heart rate, and it will open the heart rate app. Similarly, you have few more commands, and I find this feature really helpful and very good. So guys, that's all the option we have on this smartwatch. Now let's look at the app. The user interface of the app is very good, and here on the home page you have the fitness data, which includes your current day's fitness data, heart rate, SpO2, stress, and the sleep data. In the profile page, you can go to the settings of the watch, and here on the top you can see the remaining battery. By the way, the company claims up to 14 days of battery backup with moderate usage, and about that we will let you know in our detailed review. And then below it we have the store, which has the 50 plus watch faces, and some of these watch faces looks wonderful on this smartwatch. And then we have the notifications and reminder option, and talking more about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, this smartwatch also has the call function, by which you can take call directly on this smartwatch, and the clarity of the speaker and the mic is really good. But again, we will test it more later on and let you know more about it in our detailed review. So stay tuned for that. And apart from that, here is the message notification, and unfortunately, you don't have the preset replies, which is really disappointing. And guys, one more thing which I noticed, that you can only take incoming calls on this smartwatch, but I couldn't find a way to initiate an outgoing call directly from the watch. So overall, the Amazfit GTR 2 is an amazing looking smartwatch. The design and the build quality is very good, and it's also pretty lightweight. I've been using this smartwatch for a couple of days now, and I can definitely say that it's much better than the previous GTR. And to be honest, it also offers a lot more than the other smartwatches in this price range. This smartwatch is available to purchase right now for Rs 12,999, and the features you're getting definitely justify the pricing of this smartwatch. And also, right now there is a sale going on Flipkart.com, by which you can get this smartwatch for Rs 11,699. So to sum it up, if you're looking for an elegant looking smartwatch with all the features including the call function, then we highly recommend you to check out this newly launched Amazfit GTR 2. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Amazfit GTR 2. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this smartwatch in the comment section below. And also stay tuned for a detailed review of this smartwatch. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.